Imagine a giant invisible grid covering our Earth. That's essentially what latitude and longitude are. These lines help us pinpoint any location on our planet, from the bustling streets of Tokyo to a remote island in the Pacific. Latitude lines run horizontally, circling the Earth parallel to the equator. The equator, our 0-degree latitude line, divides the Earth into the northern and southern hemispheres. Lines of latitude tell you how far north or south you are from the equator. Longitude lines, on the other hand, run vertically, stretching from the North Pole to the South Pole. The prime meridian, our 0-degree longitude line, passes through Greenwich, England. Lines of longitude tell you how far east or west you are from the prime meridian. Together, latitude and longitude form a global address system. Every point on Earth has a unique combination of these coordinates, just like your house has a specific street address. The quest to map the world and determine location at sea has fascinated humans for centuries. Ancient civilizations used the stars to navigate, but the concept of latitude and longitude emerged gradually. The ancient Greeks are credited with developing the idea of latitude. They observed the angle of the sun at different locations and realized its connection to north-south positioning. Longitude, however, proved to be a much tougher nut to crack. Determining longitude at sea required accurate timekeeping, a challenge that plagued sailors for centuries. Finally, in the 18th century, John Harrison, a self-taught English clockmaker, invented the marine chronometer, a timepiece precise enough to solve the longitude problem. Harrison's invention revolutionized navigation and solidified the importance of latitude and longitude in global exploration and trade. Today, latitude and longitude are indispensable tools in numerous fields. In navigation, ships and aircraft use GPS technology, which relies on these coordinates to determine their position and chart courses. Geographers use latitude and longitude to create maps, analyze geographical features, and study weather patterns. Scientists track animal migration patterns and monitor environmental changes using these coordinates. Moreover, latitude and longitude are woven into the fabric of our modern technological world. Every time you use a mapping app on your smartphone, order food delivery, or track a package, you are relying on the power of these coordinates. From pinpointing the location of a lost hiker to coordinating international flights, latitude and longitude play a crucial role in our interconnected world. Did you know that the Earth's circumference is approximately 40,075 kilometers, or 24,901 miles? Since there are 360 degrees of longitude, each degree of longitude at the equator represents approximately 111.32 kilometers or 69.17 miles. The highest latitude you can reach is 90 degrees north or south at the North Pole and South Pole, respectively. The international dateline, located at roughly 180 degrees longitude, marks the transition from one calendar day to the next. Interestingly, while lines of latitude are parallel, lines of longitude converge at the poles. This means the distance between lines of longitude decreases as you move away from the equator and towards the poles. From ancient seafarers navigating by the stars to modern-day smartphone users finding their way with GPS, latitude and longitude have played a pivotal role in our understanding and interaction with the world. These invisible lines, etched onto our maps and ingrained in our technology, provide a universal language of location. They connect us across continents, enable global communication and trade, and facilitate scientific exploration and discovery. As we continue to explore our planet and venture further into the cosmos, the importance of latitude and longitude as essential tools for mapping and understanding our world remains as relevant as ever.